በቃ ቤት እዚህ አሁን ስሪው አይደለሁም በባትሪ ተሰራ ማታኻል አሉ ዚናቱ ፊውል ማለት what happened again? It's been a while. I have it. This one have it since 2016, almost 6 years. But unfortunately, like on the chamamish, my MSAT was finka. Bye bye. It's out of use. Yeah, tonight is another connection. The zero. I don't know how long it's gonna take to fix this, but unfortunately it's broke. So then I framing nail guns that come wireless you the zero. So you see, I'm the chama. No more. Got new one. It's called padlock framing gun bahal malati Cordless XP framing nailer. No martello, no nothing. Just this one, only the battery cost is like $75 or almost $80 just for one piece. Then unfortunately got new baby. The battery not to let you. I hope they're matching so that way I can use the extra one. Let me see if the old one gonna work or not. I have 2 pair of the old one. Woo! It's gonna work. At least I can use the battery. So I'm gonna have 3 batteries. So it's just single batteries, and then a charger. Then you got the safety goggle glasses. Then this is the nail how I use for framing. The 30-degree angle. So lock it. I have to put this one and then release this one to unlock it. Still I have to put the fuel on it same way. This is the fuel. So you have to shake it. Sometimes it freezes with a highly freezer go right. Yeah, you know when you're working, you need tools. If you don't have tools, you can't. That's how it works. Yeah, baby. So this is the shopping, this is the fuel. And then this is the spray for cleaning. Hoping another 6 more years, God willing. Yeah, peace.